6 a dawn took flight. A paper rose to spread new light. From Calcutta's press, bold and bright, Hindi found voice in public sight. Words in mother tongue found their way, guiding minds in clear display, breaking silence day by day, letting common voices say. A scholar brave with vision clear brought language close for all to hear, where English ruled both far and near. Hindi rose without a fear. Simple words with power to reach every home, each town they teach. There is wrong, a hope through speech, truth and thought within their reach. Udant Martand lit the flame, a humble start, yet great its aim, to share the news in people's name, and build for Hindi rightful fate. A voice is strong when widely heard, in native tone, in simple words. Through honest ink, truth is stirred, and silent binds are gently stirred. Pages turned with hopeful light, spreading truth beneath the skies. From quiet towns to cities rise, a people's voice that never dies. Yet trials came with heavy hand. Funds were low across the land. Few could help or understand. Still it stood with courage turned. Though brief its time, its mark was deep. A seed of change it chose to keep. In history's heart, its roots still sleep, awakening voices from silent sleep. From that spot